Wait a second now. This is fire. What is it, like midnight purple?
Midnight purple, bro.
Nah.
It's different. It's some different.
Nah, it's tough with the accents like this. Looks good on the the black on the
I
purple.
want to get rims too, bro. Ron told me if I get rims, it's like a whole different car.
This color is nice. It looks good.
Wait, this or the matte black? Be honest, bro.
I like this. Matte black is just mad basic.
It's
Like
basic. That's what I'm
everybody has
saying, bro.
that.
Everybody got matte black.
Nah, you should get rims. That's the next upgrade. This is fire though.
I do need some new
I
rims.
like how the grill's blacked out too, and then you got the carbon fiber lip here, the mirror caps, and the carbon fiber in the back. It looks sick.